7. Find the intersection point of 3x plus 6y equals to 15 and 6x minus 3y equals to negative 45. Okay, so we have two equations here. Okay, so I will use elimination method. For that, okay, I want to cancel out x. Okay, for that reason, okay, so I will, okay, multiply the first equation by 2. Okay, so now we have, okay, 2 times 3 is 6x. Okay, then 2 times y. 2 times 6y. Okay, so we have 12y. Okay, then 2 times 15, we have 30. Okay, so this is the third equation. Okay, now, okay, let second equation minus the third equation. Then we have here, okay, 6x minus 3y equals to negative 45. Okay, minus the third equation. Okay, so third equation is 6x plus 12y equals to 30. Okay, now we have here, okay, 6x minus 6x is 0. Negative 3 minus 12 is negative 15y. Negative 45 minus 30 is negative 75. So here we have y equals to negative 75 divided by negative 15. So y equals to 5. Okay, now, okay, let y equals to 5 into, okay, you can choose either the first equation, second, or the third one. Okay, I choose the first equation. So, into the first equation. So, the first equation is 3x plus 6y equals to 15. Okay, now, okay, replace y with 5. Okay, then we have here 3x plus 6, okay, times 5 equals to 15. Okay, so here is 3x plus 30 equals to 15. So 3x equals to 15 minus 30. Okay, so here is 3x equals to negative 15. So x equals to what? X equals to negative 15 divided by 3. So x is negative 5. Okay, so what is our intersection point? So our intersection point is from xy. So we have negative 5, 5.